Finally we reached after a long trek. Okay, here our journey starts. Okay guys, today I am going to show you something new. It's a power bank from MI. I got it from MI. So I'm going to unbox this. Wow, freezing cold. It's around minus 18 degrees Celsius here. So freezing. Nice padding. Okay, so I got the power bank here, and also I have couple of gadgets. So this is the instruction manual. So basically this is a 10,000 mAh power bank. The padding was very nice, and there is a fast charging cable. Okay, if you want to do fast charging, please go for standard power bank fast charging cable. So here we go. Wow, this looks cool. It's so slim and has a metal finishing, and it has 2 ports and micro USB to charge this power bank, and 2 female 3.0 USB female port. That means 3.0. This one does fast charging. Okay, let's try the cable of this, and also you can use 2 mobile cables. This is the MI mobile. I'm going to use this power bank. So frozen here. It does fast charging. Wow, so metal finishing, so nice and lightweight and low budget. This one costs around 800 rupees. So if you can order in Amazon, or you can also order in MI stores, and it comes in 18 watt fast charging. It do fast charging 3 times. You can give a juice for your mobiles. That's all folks. So try to go for MI power bank. 10,000 mAh starts from, and 20,000 mAh is that. See you on next videos with different gadgets. Bye.